So today we're going to look at some tiny houses. You may or may not have seen our other videos. We did some comparisons between shed to house, tiny house, and mobile home. We got a lot of comments saying that's way too much money. So let's check these cheaper ones out that we found.
So this model has vinyl siding. It's not the strongest siding, but it gets the job done.
So we had a lot of people say on our other videos that you can get a tiny house, mobile home, park model and all that for cheaper. So we found one. So let's check this one out. As you can tell, we are in the living room area. It has more of the mobile home walls on it. I don't really know what you would call this. Just some kind of, I don't even know, some kind of paneling. But you have the strips coming down to show, or to block the creases. You have maybe a 7-foot wall here. And as you can tell, the ceiling looks like it's cracked. It's either that or they did it that way. I'm not sure. And then you get these windows. The window trim on it is very thin. It's plastic, feels like. I'm not really sure what the material is. And then you have a nice ceiling fan compared to the other places we looked at. That depends on what you consider is better, this one, the other ones. You have your heat and AC down on the floor. You have, it looks like a little closet or something over here. But that's that, and you got the trim on that. You got your counters over here. It's not real, and this isn't real, but it's open concept, so it's bigger. You have your cabinets, which are about, I think, as good as the ones in the park home model homes that they had at the other place, the tiny house ones. Then you get your oven, stuff like that. The fridge, just basic appliances, no big deal. You have a dishwasher, probably another little closet over here. And then I assume this is the bathroom and bedroom. This is the bathroom. It's a little dark, but you could still see in here enough. And then, I don't know what this is. I guess this is supposed to be a washer and dryer area, but you get your tub. This is fiberglass, I assume. It's very thin, it feels bubbly. I don't know how well that's on there, it's not closing. So I guess the shower doesn't really move at all. I guess they got it taped up. And they got cabinets here. And then the bedroom, oh, I guess you got your furnace stuff. Then the bedroom, about the same thing. You got the same ceiling and walls. You get almost a fixture, light fixture up there. You get this, I don't know really what this is. Looks like it's just stick-on tile. And then you got your electric all in here, your windows. As you can see, you probably see the trim and stuff better in here. Right here, you can tell that it's coming off. It's coming off. Let me help them out here, put this on. But yeah, we just wanted to show you a quick tour. What you guys can get for the price. We'll go check out the price, the size, all that. So it's doable if you have a lower budget. Just know this isn't built the same, and that's why the price is different.
So this first option is called the Gold Spike. The cash price for this is $57,900. That includes the delivery, setup, and AC.
So this one, we're on the front porch, and this one has the hardy board siding on it, so this is a lot better siding. They got a deck, they got a bench, and then they got the mini split back there behind it. So now we're in the 3-bedroom, 1 bathroom, and this is 12 by 34. And as you can see, I guess this is your living room area. I'm not really sure, but you got a mini split in this one, the same type of walls. And then I guess this is the kitchen bathroom area. I don't know what this would be considered, but it looks like a bathroom setup. And then you have this area, which again, I'm not really sure what this area would be, but the same ceiling, same walls. And then you come through here, and I guess this is the kitchen area, so that's gotta be a bathroom area. No, here's a bathroom in here. So, you got bathroom in here. It's a little dark, we're sorry about that. But they got the walk-in shower. And then you get a little 2-burner stove, microwave, little sink area. And then, I guess this would be another bedroom, is what they would consider it. So you got another vanity area set up here, ceiling fan, a little area for a TV, and then out there you have a deck, just like the front deck, but you got your mini split and everything. But this one is built the exact same, just different layout. I guess this is supposed to be, I don't know, more cabin style. You don't live in it full time. I'm not really sure why you need separate vanities and stuff like that with 1 bathroom, but we will walk this way again just to show it all. So I guess it's a bedroom with no doors and another bedroom with no door, but that's this one, and I think they have one more. We're gonna check that out.
This second option is the duplex, the tiny duplex. The cash price for this is $35,900. That also includes delivery, setup, and the AC.
So now we're in a 1-bedroom, 1 bath. It's a 12 by 34, the same exact size. Same walls, but as you can tell, this door has cracks on both sides. It doesn't close very well. That's the build quality you get. And then you get your fan, you get, you know, I don't even know how tall the top of that ceiling is, but you get the same paneling, same windows, same trim, same floor, just different color. But I guess this would be your living room area. And then you have your kitchen area over here. And so you got your cabinets, counter space, little section, mini split, and then your little burner, microwave, refrigerator, just basic appliances. And then in here, I assume would be a bedroom. And then you got your fixture up top, and then your space here for all this. Your TV would go here. And then in here, you have the bathroom. You got your closet. I guess it doesn't come with doors or they have them off. You got your vanity. And then here's your shower quality that you would get. Looks plasticky. I'm sure it's fiberglass, but you get a basic tub and everything in it. So you basically get what you pay for. And so we will check the price on this one, but we just wanted to show you the build quality on these 3 buildings. We're gonna go check pricing real quick, and we are gonna compare that to our other video, which we will link in the description. We are not affiliated with any of these places whatsoever. We are doing this for our benefit and your benefit, so you can go out and watch these videos, or so you can go watch the videos instead of going out. We're doing the footwork for you guys. we are building our own shed to house, but we are comparing other places for the price. And so we're doing a 16 by 50 Durson shed to home, and all our other videos are in our channel, so please go back and watch those. We have under $50,000 into the whole thing. It's 800 square feet. So we're gonna go check the prices on this, and then you can compare that to what we're doing to see what works best for you, and we'll put a link in the description below for ours. It's a what's better, shed to home, tiny house, or mobile home. And then so you can compare this to those and to what we're doing.
So this last option is the Hacienda tiny house. The cash price for that is $30,200. That also includes delivery, setup, and the AC. So again, we always get comments saying that we could get the same thing for cheaper. So we went into this not expecting too much. These houses were advertised as tiny homes. They were built like cheaper mobile homes. Not all mobile homes are built the same, obviously.
You can go check out our other video.
You can check out our other video where we compare shed to house mobile homes and tiny homes and see the difference. If you know of a place in Texas that has well-built, cheaper mobile homes, let us know. Maybe we'll go check that out. We don't want to bash this company. We're not going to tell you the name of the company because we don't want to bash anybody. That's not what we're here for. We just wanted to show you the quality of these buildings for the price that they're selling them for. We think that's way too expensive for the quality. So that's the difference. We are building our own. It's always cheaper to build your own. We have it depends on everyone's situation. Not everyone can afford to do it on their own. Some people don't have credit. Some people do have credit. So it depends on the individual's situation. So please go back and check out our other videos. We have a ton of videos on shed to house. We have the pros and cons videos. We do tons of reviews. We absolutely love our shed to house, and we might do another one. We might build a tiny home from scratch. We don't know. We're still trying to figure it out. So we love helping you guys by doing these types of review videos, but we're also doing it for ourselves so we can figure out what we want to do. So as always, please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button, check us out on Instagram, give us a follow, like us on Facebook. If you ever have any questions, just the easiest way to get a hold of us is through Facebook or Instagram Messenger. We love hearing from you guys, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.